Hi, good day, Ma'am Marilu Olazo. Can you tell me about yourself?
Yeah, sure. Thank you for that. Hi, I'm Marilu Olaso, 37 years old. I am a mother of two. Um, my daughter is 18 and my son is 13 years old.
All right, thank you. So, can you please tell me your educational background?
I'm a high school graduate.
Okay, and then what is your marital status? Are you married or single?
I'm separated.
Okay, and then do you have any brothers or sisters?
Yes, ma'am. I have four siblings. I am second to the youngest.
Okay, and then how would you describe yourself?
Um, I am simple, a loving mother, and a sweet sister.
Okay, and then why do you want to apply abroad?
Uh, I'm looking forward to apply abroad in Malaysia.
Okay, and then do you have any work experience abroad?
This is my first time, ma'am.
Okay, so do you have any work experience locally here in Philippines?
Yes, ma'am. I work as a nanny. Starting working on March 2018 until March 2022.
All right. So did you finish your contract?
Yes, ma'am. I finished it.
Okay. So can you please tell me your duties and responsibilities being a nanny, all around helper here in Philippines?
Yes, ma'am. My duties is doing the house chores, cooking, cleaning, uh, and I do the preparing their uniforms, prepare their foods,
Okay.
something like that.
And then aside from that, do you have any work experience?
Yes, ma'am. I work as a housekeeping on December 2022 until December 2025.
All right. So did you finish your contract?
Yes, ma'am.
So what is your duties and responsibilities as housekeeping?
My duties as a housekeeping is cleaning the office, preparing their food as well, cleaning their dishes, washing it,
All
and
right.
cleaning the office.
Okay, thank you. And then are you willing to take care of small children, newborn baby, or elderly person abroad?
Yes, ma'am. I am willing.
Okay. And then what will you do if you become homesick?
I will make myself busy doing the house chores there.
Okay.
Make myself happy, maybe.
Okay. And then are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, I'm not scared now.
Okay. And then how do you describe your cooking skills?
Um, I do the cooking dishes like Filipino food, like adobo, sinigang, kare-kare, something like that.
Okay. And then are you willing to learn new dishes abroad?
Yes, sure, ma'am. I do.
Okay. So do you have any food allergy?
No, I don't have, ma'am.
Okay. So do you promise not to use your cell phone during working hours?
Yes, ma'am. I promise.
Do you promise to be honest and loyal to your employer?
Yes, ma'am. I do promise, ma'am.
Okay, so do you drink alcohol?
No, I don't.
How about smoking?
No, ma'am.
Do you have any body tattoo?
No, I don't have, ma'am.
Okay, so do you have any history of surgery or serious sickness in the past?
No, I don't have.
Okay, and then for the last question, Ma'am Marilo Olazo, what is your final message to your future employer abroad?
Ma'am, sir. I'm Marilo Olaso, 37 years old. I am a mother of two, um, 18 years old and 13 years old. And I'm a hardworking person. Um, Please hire me. I promise to finish my 2 years contract with you. Thank you and see you soon.